It's like almost 9 months that I got into developing this farmland. It's a great experience, lots of ups and downs. Many times it came to my mind that why I got into this, but the final goal is to achieve something which I had told earlier also, to grow my own food, have at least 95% of my food from this property. I am really proud to say that these days most of my food come from this property. Paddy is coming up. The rice is the only thing which I am buying these days. Otherwise, we got millets, ragi, foxtail millets are there, finger millets are there. Finger millets is ragi. Then all the vegetables, fruits we have guava and papayas are coming up now nicely. Today I'll take you around the farm. I'll show you some things. I'll show you how we make bioenzyme. Bioenzyme is a sort of liquid which is prepared from the waste fruits and vegetables in the farm, and it's really effective. It's a good fertilizer and it's commercially available, but we prepare our own, making sure that we are using things which are really organic or natural things. We don't add any chemicals or pesticides. So that's one thing I'll show you. I'll be preparing even the Jivamritam, but I'll show you in the next episode. But because it's going to be prepared tomorrow, other thing is I'll show you the groundnut harvest which we are done, and few things about my last almost 9 months I've spent developing this land. I see a really big change when I browse through the old pictures. It was like very dry land, few trees were there. Now we have lots of trees, and I'm very happy that today I could use the shade of a tree which we planted. So that was a fast growing tree. It's called Singapore cherry. Singapore cherry and the agassiz trees grew very fast, and most of the things are coming up really good. Uh, Vegetables, yes, due to rain we had some disaster for the greens, all got washed away. Heavy rains. We are trying our best to have the trenches to stop or to slow the flow of water and retain as much as water in this land. That could help in increasing the water table. Ponds are being dug. Lots of work have been done. Now we are working on the solar part. We are going to have almost 100% power from the solar energy generated here. Then would be a water treatment sort of a plant, a softening plant actually, to soften the water before it goes for irrigation as well as for drinking and other purposes. So we are planning that also. So a lot of things being done. Very interesting, very challenging. Lots of problems like labor problem, getting reliable labor is a serious problem, because what happens is we take the salary and then don't come on time, or they don't come as we like plan and to do the work. Now last 1 week we don't have the workers coming. It was Diwali, and they had promised that last 3-4 days back they'll start coming. Now after they have finished off their salaries and all, now they are asking me, okay, can I come? Then I told, okay, we'll start from next week. So that's a very common thing which we have to face. Other than that, I think this is a good thing what I am doing. I feel quite happy contributing some things for the nature, as well as even giving a lot of employment to the local villagers here. That's what something I have been always focusing on. I could have got um, workers from other parts of Mysore or something at cheap labor, but I prefer to give job to the local people here in the nearby villages, and that's good. And people have appreciated that, and I have got really good people to work with me. They have helped me in many things because they all are farmers. They know much better than what I know. So that's something great. People are really good actually, very humble people, very innocent people, that's what I would say. And people do take the advantages of that also. There are some people who take that advantage. That's not good. Anyway, I'll have lots of stories to tell you guys. So overall it's a great experience. I am really enjoying it now. I would be spending more time here. The stay area is almost getting ready, and I'll show you the Gujarat boiler. This is again, we are going to warm the water for shower and all those things. using this Gujarat boiler. So the stay in this house, I've never stayed here. We'll see once the windows are done. I think the person have told me that tomorrow they will complete it and I can start using it. Let's see. Leila? Leila? Today I'll show you, we are drying the ragi. We had harvested few weeks back, in fact. Because of rain we couldn't dry it up, so we are now drying it up, and Leila and Max is making sure that the hens don't come and start eating this. So they are just near the Leila. Today we went to the nearby marketplace and we got these drums. This is to prepare the bioenzyme. The previous drums what we got spoiled very fast, because this is the chemical resistant one, so we can prepare the bioenzyme and Jivamritam. I'll show you how we prepare bioenzyme. We have lots of waste vegetables and fruits, damaged it means. There's a lizard on the guava. Not lizard actually, I don't know. All these damaged guavas will go in for the preparation of bioenzyme. These are pits which we are filling up with cow dung and these weeds, the plants, and what we cut, no, we clear the weeds, and even I think these are the trenches which help in retaining or holding water to the soil. This was a structure constructed to keep the water tank on top for drip irrigation. I'm planning to do gravity drip irrigation. We were using these drums earlier. These are not good. It gets damaged very soon. I prefer not to use any plastics, but some things we have to use. But I'm trying my best not to use plastic, at least only reusable plastics. Hmm? These are cowpeas. We have almost finished the small place which we have made for staying overnight. There's a small kitchen. I'll show you the place. It's completely done in a very different way. We have used mud bricks, very less cement, and it's done by Arleaf in Mysore. They are very popular to make houses with like renewable products or reusable products. It's a very good concept. I liked it. The cost is bit more compared to other traditional construction, but I feel that it's our responsibility to work towards renewable energy, supporting renewable energy. So I just wanted to do that, and most of the things what I'm trying to do here is reusing things or doing things with reusable products. RLEAF stands for Regional Low Energy Environment Friendly. So that's their concept basically. They use products which are regionally available. They won't recommend you to bring bricks from a different faraway place and construct a house here. What they have done is, even the mud which they used for the construction is from this land itself. They prefer to do things with which are locally available.
ನಾನು ಜೀವಾಮೃತ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
The harvest has come really good.
ವಾರ್ತೆನೇ ಬರಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಸಾಕು.
ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
ಇದು ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಹ.
ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬಾ.
ಇದು 10 ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಲೆ 10 ಬೀಜ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಆಗ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇವ್ರು ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
It's bright and sunny after some days. It was cloudy, raining in between. Good for the agriculture people if it's raining in a moderate way. Too much of rain creates trouble. In between there was like so much of rain that our paddy, everything has fallen down. I don't know what would be the fate of paddy. Let's see. It would take another 1 month for harvesting. So that's the paddy. It's everything has fallen down. Paddy is not ready for harvest. It will take another 1 month. We'll see what happens. That's the pond there. No water. Maybe next year I'll plan something for that. There are few pits which we created to hold water as well as dump all these weed cuttings and also that it will convert to manure. These are all damaged tomatoes which we cannot use, but we are going to use it to prepare bioenzyme. I'll show you how we prepare bioenzyme.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
I don't go to gyms these days, gym or any kind of workout, because I work in the farm which takes care of burning all my calories and regular exercise. We have to keep this drum in shade because it's important to keep the organism alive. Waste tomatoes. So we are going to prepare bioenzyme. It's not just with tomatoes, we do with guavas also. Even I think we'll have some ridge gourds which we can add. I'll smash it a bit. ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ cowpeas. We'll dry this and we can preserve for later use also. Fresh ones are also great for making curries and all. This came down because of heavy rains. It rained the same day which we had done this and the top part, and it fell down. So we'll have to redo it again. We have used mostly mud. We'll point it out with cement. A bit of cement will be used. These are beans, I think. Gopal, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡೆ? Bees 20. Okay, this is jaggery, around 2 kg. ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಮುರಿದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
ಹಾಂ,
ಹಾಕೋ ಮುರಿದು ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂಚೂರು.
ಹಾಂ. ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ? ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಆನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗಮ್ಮ ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹ್ಞೂ. ಕುಪ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೀಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಗೋಯ್ತದ ಅದೇನೋ. ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ?
Now we have added some water inside. To speed up the process, you can add some yeast. These are all solo papayas, small papayas. This is the first solo papaya. Thanks, Rajesh. All the papaya what you see here are mostly solo papayas. These were the seeds given by one of my friends. We germinated it and it's coming up. These are still very small. This is the back side, not the back side actually, left side. We believe this is the entrance and this is the left side. Here we can wash our utensils. There's no provision to wash inside. All these are mud bricks interlocking. No cements used to join these bricks. all the water coming to on the rooftop of this building would be collected to these tanks. Once it gets filled up, it will overflow. I need to find a provision for that. We have this 4 shutter doors. So guys, done for the day. I am returning from the farm. This is my usual routine these days when I am in Mysore. It's very pleasant these days. Foggy in the morning. I have not yet experienced a foggy morning of this season in at the farm. I'll be doing it very soon. I am planning to stay back in the farm maybe in next this weekend. Let's see if it happens. It would happen only if I have everything in that place fixed. Still some windows to be fixed. So that's all for now. I'll come up with another video very soon. If you want me to make videos on any specific topic, do let me know. I will definitely try to share my real experiences. That's all for now. Bye. Take care.